Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to fix if your mouse cursor disappeared or not showing in your Windows 11 laptop. Now the first thing that you have to do is press the Windows key from your keyboard. Now in here type in touchpad using your keyboard. And you will see touchpad at the top here. Now what you have to do is press enter from your keyboard. And that will open up the touchpad settings, and as you can see, the touchpad is currently turned off, and there's why you are not seeing the mouse cursor or the mouse pointer. Now from here, while touchpad is selected, as you can see the rectangular thing around it. All you need to do is just press the spacebar from your keyboard. And there will turn on the touchpad, which should bring back the mouse pointer. As you can see now, if you see that the touchpad is not selected, then all you have to do, keep pressing the tab key from your keyboard, and that will toggle between all the settings in here. And once you reach touchpad, you can just press the spacebar to turn it on or turn it off. And that is how you can fix the issue of mouse pointer not showing or mouse pointer disappeared or not moving in your Windows 11 laptop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up.